Appropriately enough, the American Brigadier General Lewis Pick himself led the first convoy to go through to China along the new Ledo or Stilwell road. It was obviously a great moment for him, since he'd been responsible for its construction, but it was also a very great occasion for the Chinese. At last, the highway from Ledo in India, all along its hundreds of miles through Burma and on into China, was complete. There were ceremonies at the junction of the new Ledo road with the old Burma road, and also at the Burma-China frontier, of course. But the really important thing was that the first convoy was on its way. In spite of all the difficulties of river and mountain and jungle, in spite of interference by the Japs, the road had gone through. Now, supplementing the supplies carried over the hump by air transport, truckloads of supplies could go by the new land route. Also, it meant that heavy equipment, tanks, heavy trucks, big guns, equipment too weighty for the air, could now be sent. This was aid to China with a capital A. The Japs had prophesied in their radio propaganda that this convoy would never arrive. So naturally, when General Pick led the convoy into Kunming, there was considerable satisfaction, to put it mildly. It was great news, and the thought of all the future supplies with which to fight the Japs was even better still. News from the Pacific